Saturday, 18th of April. Didn't go to the farm today. I woke up extremely tired. Might go back up tomorrow, continue on with my repair on that engine block on the Farmall 140. Looking at the house garden. This is one of my apple trees. Starting to see a few little apples popping out. Here's tomato plants. They're big and bushy, except for one. One there in the corner. It must be a variety that was mixed in incorrectly with these others. It ain't doing diddly. Had blooms, bloom fell off, got more blooms. Have to see what happens. Over here on the bell pepper, I don't think it'll show up on camera, but there's several little bitty baby bell peppers. And I've been arguing with the wife about this asparagus. She likes to see this green bushy stuff. I keep telling her you got to keep it cut back or you won't get asparagus the way you're supposed to. Late summer you let it bush out. It absorbs the fall sunshine to set the root for spring of next year. But during the growing season you need to keep all this stuff cut back quite a bit. Maybe she'll listen to me. Over here on this little bitty apple tree now, same thing, gotta look real close, but there is apples on it. This is the one I cut way back. I've straightened it 3 or 4 times. Apparently I planted it right over a very large rock, and it keeps kicking over to the south. That's that way constantly, so it might be ended up getting replaced here in a while. Collards, about another week or 10 days we'll be able to cut some leaves, make up a pot of collard greens. If y'all never had fresh collards, they're real good. Radishes, should have already made radishes. They've been extremely slow this year. Who knows? That's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to head back up to the farm tomorrow and like I said, continue on with the repair on that block. Got another box of parts came in, all used parts except for a couple of new belts. Both of those 140s, mainly for the cultivators. Over here on the deck, she and I cleaned and recoated it last year. Like I said, this is 18 April. We got rose blooms. Got poison ivy too. Need to point that out to her. Over there, that flat stone is my little buddy Keever's grave. He died July 4th last year. This is a grapevine. Got grapes on it already. Problem is, between the birds and the squirrels, we never got a single grape, I don't think. But, you know, birds and squirrels got to eat too. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.